For 3C, you're asked to figure out how fast the rock is going just before it hits the ground. So we know that we have a 3 kilogram rock, so our mass is equal to 3 kilograms, and we're solving for velocity here. So that's one of our variables here that we have. It's helpful to note for canceling out units that a joule is equal to a kilogram meters squared per second squared. It's because of this that we're going to be able to end up with meters per second, which is velocity. So for this, simple algebra will do 600 kilograms meters squared over second squared equals 1/2 times 3 kilograms times velocity squared. So we're going to want to isolate velocity first. So to do that, we will multiply by 2 to get rid of this here. And we'll divide by 3 kilograms. When we divide by 3 kilograms, we are canceling out our kilogram unit. So after we do that little bit of math out, you will end up with 400 meters squared per second squared equals v squared. So again, we cancel out our kilograms here, so we're left with our meters squared and our seconds squared. So the last part is to take the square root. Take the square root, and if we take the square root of 400, we get 20. And if we take the square root of a meter squared, we get a meter. And if we take the square root of a second squared, we get a second. And if we take the square root of a v squared, we get v. So we have 20 meters per second is the velocity. And that is your answer.